Today we have some science stories about fighting cancers. First stop, Florida. In July 2025, scientists at the University of Florida said they had something exciting: an mRNA cancer vaccine that is not picky about which tumor it fights. Think of it like an immune system coach who yells at your body to get up and fight anything suspicious. It works by triggering type 1 interferon, which is like pulling the fire alarm so the immune system comes running. And it boosts PD-L1 in tumors, which makes them easier for immune cells to spot. In mice, the results were impressive. Tumors shrank, sometimes they disappeared completely, and the mice stayed cancer-free for a long time. The dream is to have an off-the-shelf cancer vaccine that works for many people, not just one at a time. The team wants to start human trials, aiming first at tough cancers like pediatric high-grade glioma and osteosarcoma. Their plan is clever. Give a general vaccine to fire up the immune system, then follow with a custom-made one for the specific cancer. It is still early days, so you will not find this at your local hospital just yet. Now we fly to Korea and meet the KAIST team. They built something called Benin, which sounds like a cute robot, but is actually a powerful AI. This AI looks at single cancer cells in extreme detail, finds the 3 ringleaders that keep the cancer bad, and tells scientists how to shut them down. The troublemakers are MYB, HDAC2, and FOXA2. When all 3 are silenced, the cancer cells stop acting wild and start behaving like normal healthy intestinal cells. It is like convincing the villain to open a bakery instead of robbing banks. In lab dishes and in mice, tumors shrank by more than 70%, and the tissue began to look like healthy gut lining again. No chemotherapy, no radiation, and barely any side effects. But this is still in research mode, so human trials are in the future, not the present. Russia has announced that in September or October 2025, they will begin human trials for a brand new cancer treatment, a personalized mRNA melanoma vaccine. Personalized means it is made just for you, like a custom suit, except instead of making you look sharp, it is supposed to make your immune system fight off cancer cells. How do they make it so fast? Doctors will take a sample of your tumor, run it through an AI system that studies your cancer's genetic blueprint, and then design a vaccine just for that. In about 1 week, your vaccine is ready. The same time it takes for most of us to forget we signed up for the gym. And the price tag? Around 300,000 rubles per dose, which is roughly $2,800. If you are an eligible Russian citizen, the government says it will be free. That is right, free cancer vaccine. They say they can do this thanks to state funding. The technology is similar to mRNA vaccines you may have heard about during the pandemic, but this one is tuned for each patient. It is like your immune system getting a Spotify playlist that is only made of songs cancer cells hate. The early results are promising in lab and animal studies, but human trials are where we find out if the hype matches reality. The world will be watching Moscow this autumn.